So now we would be moving on to SAT practice test number 7, reading and writing section module 1. Question number 1. On the basis of extensive calculations and models, astronomers in the 1990s predicted that the collision of two neutron stars or a neutron star and a black hole could release a massive burst of gamma rays in an event called kilonova. This blank was confirmed with observations in 2017. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A, theory? Is it B, evidence? Is it C, constant? Or is it D, experiment? So this one says, on the basis of extensive calculations and models, astronomers are predicting something. They have predicted in the 1990s that the collision of two neutron stars or a neutron star and a black hole could release a massive burst of gamma rays, and that event is called kilonova. So this, whatever they predicted, was confirmed. So which do you think is the answer? So if you said A, well done, that is the correct answer. Choice A is the best answer because it most logically completes the text's discussion of a prediction about kilonova. In this context, a theory is an explanation that is considered scientifically acceptable. The text states that astronomers predicted in the 1990s that the collision between a black hole and a neutron star or between two neutron stars could release a massive gamma ray burst called kilonova, explaining that they determined this possibility based on their extensive work with existing data and simulations, that is, calculations and models. So in other words, the prediction was a theory, a well-supported explanation, that is, as the text indicates, and it was later confirmed with observations in 2017. So B is incorrect because the text indicates that it is the prediction made by astronomers in the 1990s that was confirmed in 2017, and a prediction of an event isn't evidence or proof of that event's existence, even when the prediction is based on extensive study. Further, there would be no need for later confirmation of something that was already recognized as evidence. And C, constant, is incorrect because in this context, a constant is a situation or factor that doesn't change. The text indicates that it is the prediction made by astronomers in the 1990s that was confirmed in 2017, and there is no reason to describe the prediction as a constant because the text doesn't suggest that the prediction was completely unchanged over time. It addresses only the making of the prediction and its later confirmation. D, experiment, that is also incorrect because the text indicates that it is the prediction made by astronomers in the 1990s that was confirmed in 2017. Although the prediction might be informed by an experiment or a control test, a prediction is an idea rather than a test. So theory.